Hey guys, quick video. I want to show you how to smoke a mold. Got a brand new mold here, vibrating lure mold. I'm going to smoke it so it'll make it easier for the lead to pour in and the jigs to come out. First thing you need, a candle, some way to light the candle. So open your mold up. All you want to do is take it and run your cavities right over the flame. You'll be able to see the black soot forming on it. That will increase the ability for the lead to flow in and release another jig after it is poured. Want to keep it moving back and forth over the whole cavity. Do each one of them individually. Pretty simple and easy to do. Occasionally you have to redo it once the stuff starts wearing off, but usually you can get 20-30 pours out of it before it actually starts to come off. To give you an idea of what it looks like, go ahead and do this other side and you'll see this mold coming up in a future video. There it is, complete, ready to pour.